Greetings of the day. I Chavi Gupta welcome you all in today's session. We have we have covered our topics, that is autotrophic nutrition, heterotrophic nutrition, and the symbiotic relationship. Now I will discuss an important topic over here, that is test for starch. In the previous class, you must have studied that nutrients that we have types of nutrients such as carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins, and minerals. And in sixth class also you have studied the test for the carbohydrate or test for the starch. Now we will discuss the same test over here, but in case of plants. Now we all know that plants prepare their food in the presence of sunlight. हम सबको पता है that plants prepare their food in the presence of sunlight in chlorophyll molecule. That is, when carbon dioxide plus water reacts together in the presence of sunlight in chlorophyll molecule, it will give us glucose plus oxygen. This glucose is prepared, it is a food. Now this is prepared by the process of photosynthesis. Now basically the food is prepared in the form of glucose, we have seen in the reaction. Now it is not like that. ऐसा नहीं है कि ग्लूकोज हमने जितना प्रिपेयर किया उतना हमारे लिए सफिशिएंट है. ऑब्वियसली वी ईट एक्सेस ऑफ फूड, सो वी मेड एक्सेस ऑफ फूड. लेव सिर्फ इतना एट दैट प्रेजेंट के लिए फूड नहीं बनाती, वो थोड़ा एक्सेस अमाउंट ऑफ फूड स्टोर भी करती है. नाउ द ग्लूकोज इज स्टोर्ड इन द फॉर्म ऑफ स्टार्च विच इज़ अ कार्बोहाइड्रेट. Now starch is the extra food material stored in leaves. Obviously leaves ने क्या बनाया, glucose, but extra, so that is starch, so stored in leaves. So and it is a form of carbohydrate. So we know that starch is a form of carbohydrate. So we will perform a test using an iodine solution. This iodine solution originally is yellow in color, but when a starch is contained in an object, suppose any food material contains starch, it will convert to blue black color, or you will say it as a violet color. But generally we say it as a blue black color, so always remember that it is a blue black color. Okay. Now for example, starch is in rice, potato, etc. How it is in rice? You know that when we cooked rice, when we washed rice, what will happen? It drains, white color liquid is generated out. This white color liquid is your starch. Or you can test it that you will take the rice sample, that cooked rice sample, and put some drops of iodine solution over it. It will convert into blue black solution. Now we will see the test for starch in leaves. But now see, you know that food is prepared in chlorophyll molecule. Fine. So our first main step is to degenerate the chlorophyll molecule. Means we have to clear out the molecule. हमें chlorophyll को remove करना है यहाँ पे. And chlorophyll gives green color. So basically we are removing a somewhat green color. Let's see the video.
To show that starch is present in the leaves. Materials required: healthy potted plant.
Why a healthy potted plant? Because if it is not a healthy potted plant, then the food will not be prepared and excess of starch cannot be stored.
Healthy potted plant. Alcohol.
Alcohol is used to denature the chlorophyll molecule present in the leaf. Means जो आपको chlorophyll molecule leaves के अंदर present है, हमें उसे denature करना है, उसकी form change करनी है, उसे अनयूजेबल बनाना, ताकि वो दोबारा से फूड स्टोर ना कर सके. बिकॉज अगर हम क्लोरोफिल मॉलिक्यूल को डिजनरेट नहीं करेंगे, ख़राब नहीं करेंगे, सो अल्टीमेटली हमारा स्टार्च फॉर्म बाहर नहीं निकलेगा. और स्टार्च बाहर नहीं निकलेगा तो हमारा आयोडीन टेस्ट पॉजिटिव नहीं आएगा.
All. Iodine solution.
See, it is yellow in color.
Dropper.
To put the iodine solution from the beaker.
Forceps. Tripod stand with wire gauge. Bunsen burner.
It is a kind of burner only, don't worry.
2 beakers with water. Water watch glass, test tube. Process.
Now how we will perform the activity? See.
Take a healthy potted plant and keep it in the sunlight for a few hours.
Why few hours? So that it can prepare the food with the help of photosynthesis.
A few hours. After a few hours, pluck a green leaf from the plant. Now boil this leaf in water to kill it. After boiling in water, again boil it in alcohol.
Never keep the alcohol directly on the flame. It should be always in the water containing beaker. Means first a test tube and alcohol in the test tube. Leaves in the test tube. And this test tube should be placed in the beaker containing water as shown in the figure, because if you directly heat the alcohol it will burn violently. Means वो बहुत vigorously burn करेगा and आपको harm हो सकता है.
The purpose of boiling leaf in alcohol is that it dissolves greenish part, that is chlorophyll.
Okay.
Then wash the leaf in cold water.
We wash the leaf in the cold water to stop the heating process, because if we keep on heating then the chlorophyll will degenerate. वो वापस डिजॉल्व होता रहेगा एंड आपकी लीफ बहुत ज़्यादा डैमेज हो जाएगी. So to stop it we dissolve it in cold water.
And place it in a watch glass. Now pour some drops of iodine solution over it.
Now see, it is a yellow color solution. Now see the change in the leaf. Now you can see that the yellow color of iodine has converted to the blue black color, or you can see it as a violet color. See.
Observation. The leaf turns blue.
I hope ये आपको एक्टिविटी क्लियर है. What is the test for starch? Now the question is that write 5 names of food item. आपको भी 5 food items के name लिखने हैं that contain starch, जिसके अंदर starch present है. That is carbohydrate except green plants. आप green plants के बारे में नहीं लिखेंगे क्योंकि green plants आपको पता है कि वो photosynthesis करते हैं, तो वहाँ पे carbohydrate already available है. So आपको green plants के अलावा except green plants आपको कुछ food items के name लिखने हैं. वन इज दैट फन फ्लिप्स. यू ईट फन फ्लिप्स. एंड आपने फन फ्लिप्स के फूड रैपर पे बैक साइड में देखा होगा, तो वहाँ पे न्यूट्रिशन वैल्यू लिखते हैं कि दैट इट कंटेन्स दैट मच ऑफ कार्बोहाइड्रेट, दैट मच ऑफ प्रोटीन, दैट मच ऑफ फैट. तो वेर एवर इट कंटेन्स कार्बोहाइड्रेट दैट मीन्स इट कंटेन्स स्टार्च एंड इट विल गिव अ पॉजिटिव टेस्ट फॉर iodine. That is test for starch. It converts iodine solution in blue black form. So you will have to write the 5 names of the food items that contain starch. That's all for today. Thank you.